Exercise 4.2, sum number 4. The average age of women in years at the time of marriage obtained from the data of different census survey in India are given in the following table. Fit an equation for a linear trend from the data and show it on a graph. Find the estimate for the value of the given variable for the year 2021 using the linear equation. Now here the following table is given. Year of census survey is the year 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001 and 2011. This year is converted into T. Okay, so first column of year of survey census 1971 to 2011. Okay, this is converted into T, that is time. So T is equal to first year considered for 1, second year considered for 2, third year considered for 3, 4 and 5. Total sigma T is equal to 15. Then average age of woman at marriage that is given in the year is considered as a Y. Okay, 17.5, 17.7, 18.7, 19.3, 20.2 and 22.2. So sigma Y is equal to 98.1. Now here we find linear trade equation. The equation of this linear trade is y cap is equal to a plus bx. The equation what we are find is y cap is equal to a plus bt, right? So we want first we find here b. B's formula is n sigma ty minus sigma t into sigma y upon sigma t square minus sigma t the whole square. So we want in the column ty and t square. So next we make column ty and t square. Ty we find here t multiply y. So 1 multiply 17.7, answer is 17.7. 2 multiply 18.7, 37.4. 3 multiply 19.3, 57.9. 4 multiply 20.2, 80.8. 5 multiply 22.2, 111. So total of this sigma ty is 304.8. Next we want t square. So t 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16 and 5 5 is 25. So total of sigma t square is 55. Okay. Now next we want we are find first t bar and y bar. T bar formula is sigma t upon n. Sigma t is we are find 15 and total observation is 5. So t bar is equal to 15 divided by 5. Answer is 3. Then we find y bar. Y bar formula is sigma y upon n. Sigma y is 98.1 and n is 5. So answer is 19.62. Now we find b. B's formula is n into sigma ty minus sigma t into sigma y upon n sigma t square minus sigma t the whole square. So b is equal to n value is 5, sigma ty is 304.8 minus sigma t is 15 and sigma y is 98.1. Divide n is 5, sigma t square is 55 minus 15 square sigma t. So your answer is b is 1.05. Now we find a. A formula is y bar minus bt bar. Okay, so y bar value is 19.62. Already we are find. B value is here 1.05 and t bar value is we are find is 3. So 19.62 minus 3.15, answer is 16.47. Now we use the formula equation of linear trade. The equation is y cap is equal to a plus bt. So a value is 16.47 plus b value is 1.05 t. Your first answer is completed. Then we are putting the estimate year 2021. Estimate of average age of women at marriage for the year 2021. So last time we considered 2011 is T is 5. So 2021 is considered T is equal to 6. Okay. So y cap is equal to 16.47 plus 1.05. T we are putting value is 6. Okay, 2021 value is considered for 6. So 16.47 plus 6.30. So total amount is 22.77 here. So your y cap answer is 22.77. Now here we make a graph also. So in graph book we make this graph. First off, you made x-axis, okay, then y-axis. Then in this questions, x value is considered. In x value we are considering t. So t value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are taking x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 years. Okay. Then y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. Now y value is given 17.16, 18.17 pesos. Now first x-axis and y-axis. Time is on y-axis and age of year in given in y-axis. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we started from 16. So you put up this mark here. So directly we start from 0 to 16. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Okay. So in this first one, t value is 1 and y value is 17.7. So t value is 1 and y value is 17.7. So put up here. Then in second, t value is second and y value is 18.7. So we put up here 18.7. Then next third is 19.3. We put up 19.3 here. Okay. Then fourth is 20.2. So we put up here 20.2. And last one is fifth one is 22.2. We put up here 22.2. Then we merge that line with pencil. स्केल से इसको ज्वाइन कर लो. सो डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे आप लोग का ऐसा एरो मिलेगा. जो भी पॉइंट मिले ना हम लोग को, सो यहाँ पे आप उसको लिखेंगे ओरिजिनल सीरीज. दिस इज अ ओरिजिनल सीरीज जो हम लोगों ने पेंसिल से ज्वाइन की. देन वन एक ऐसी आप लोग को लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है दैट इज अ ट्रेड लाइन जो डायरेक्टली पेंसिल से मैक्सिमम ऑब्जर्वेशन को या मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स को कंसिडर करें. सो यहाँ पे एक पेंसिल डायरेक्ट ये ऐसी लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके, मैक्सिमम पॉइंट को कवर करती हुई उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग ट्रेड लाइन. ओके, योर सम इज कंप्लीटेड.